What's poppin', Planeswalkers? We're going to be opening the Turtle Power Commander deck for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Magic the Gathering set. Let's go ahead and rip this open. See what it says on the side. I'm going to guess Cowabunga. I ripped it in a bag. It says press start. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. But here we are. Alright, we have the innards of the Commander deck. The deck box, which looks really cool, actually. This is awesome. Look at this. It's got the 8-bit turtles. 8-bit mana symbols. I love it. We have 8-bit Planeswalker. On the top, we have a little splinter. Cute. Like it. I like it a lot. That one makes me happy. And then in here, it's just like normal stuff. Normal turtle stuff. There's your +1/+1 counters. Not much in there. Yeah. Alright. If we can open the deck here, that would be fantastic. That'd be absolutely the best thing for us. There we go. Alright, here we go. We have Leonardo the Balance, if it'll focus on him. There we go, thank you. Donatello the Brains. Splinter the Mentor. Raphael the Muscle. Michelangelo the Heart. Heroes in a Half Shell. Turtle Power. Continue. Endless Foot Assault. April O'Neil live on the scene. Baxter Fly in the Ointment. Here Comes a New Hero. Irma Part-Time Mutant. Krang the All-Powerful. Ray Fillet Wave Warrior. Bebop Skull and Crossbones. Dimension X Pizzasaur. Foot Chopper. Game Over. Rat King Pale Piper. Shredder Shadow Master. Swift Demise. Casey Jones Back Alley Brute. Electric Seaweed. Fast Forward. Shell Shock. Special Move. Tempestra Dame of Games. Toka and Razor Unsupervised. High Scorer. Leatherhead Iron Gator. Level Up. Ninja Pizza. Rocksteady Mutant Marauder. Super Combo. We have Double Jump / Flying Kick. Arcade Cabinet. Big Mother Mouser. Coin of Mastery. Exploding Barrel. Mole Module. Roadkill Rodney. Big Apple at 3 a.m. Hidden Hideout. Together Forever Turtleized. Vanquish the Horde. Wave Goodbye. Blasphemous Act. Oopsies. Biogenic Ooze / Clone, aka the Steelbane Hydra. Sorry, I had to read that one. Heralds of the Shredder, which is Vigor. Aggro Amalgam, which is Voracious Hydra. Assassin's Trophy, Humongous Fungus, which is Corpse Jack Menace. A Chromatic Lantern, which is very pretty if it'll focus. There you go, buddy. Cinderglade, City of Brass, Dragonskull Summit, Exotic Orchard, Fable Passage, Grand Coliseum, Hinterland Harbor, Rain Slit Copse, Rootbound Crag, Smoldering Marsh, Sudden Verdure, Spire Garden, Sunken Hollow, Undergrowth Stadium, Vernal Finn, Lita, The Little Orphan Amphibian, Mona Lisa Science Geek, Lessons from Life, really good card, Everything Pizza, Escape Tunnel, Turtle Lair, Marauding Mutagen, which is Acidic Slime. I can read that one. Cultivate. Harmonize. Arcane Signet. Soul Ring. Ash Barrens. Command Tower. Evolving Wilds. Path of Ancestry. Thriving Grove. Isle. Moor. Vibrant Cityscape. Plains. Island. Swamp. This one I'm pretty sure is the only one we haven't seen yet. Mountain. Forest. Plains. Island. Swamp. Mountain. Forest. 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 We got some food. Clue. Treasure. Mutagen. Garbage. Copy. Robot. Ninja. Copy. Robot. Ooze. Rat. Ninja. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is pretty cool. I don't know what happened to the thing, why it looks like it's sliding even though it's not. That's weird. I love you guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Goodbye.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe. Please, for the love of everything, ring that dang bell. Let's go.